This dance is called You're Too Late. It's a 32 count, 4 more, beginner level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot into a chassé to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left to side right, right to the side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Vane to the left with a quarter turn on the end. So you can step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, make a quarter turn left, stepping that left forward, making sure you have completely turned your body and you haven't got a twist in it. Then you're going to brush the right forward, and as you do so, you're going to make a further quarter turn to the left. So you should now be facing the back wall. That set of steps once more then, chassé to the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, brush. Remember to make that quarter turn on that brush. You're going to do a similar set of steps now. We start off again with that right foot because we've just brushed it, so there's no weight on it. Chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, side close side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Vine to the left with that quarter turn, so you step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, quarter turn left, making sure we've turned our body, and this time we are touching the right beside the left. We should be facing the side wall, 3 o'clock, in that touch position. That set of steps once more then, chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch. Add that to the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, brush. Right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch. Now what you have got the equivalent of in this dance is a full turn in those 2 sections and the very start of the next section, which we've yet to do. It does basically mean you're doing an entire circle and ending up back facing the front wall. Now I know some people do struggle to do that kind of a looping. The music has got a little bit of a pace to it. If it was a slower piece of music, I would probably say there wouldn't be an issue with doing it because there's a reasonable distance between the turns for it not to cause you any problem. But with the speed of this music, it may well do. Now, normally I would say to people, always try and put the turns in because the dances do look so much better with them in. However, if you do find that you are struggling to do those turns, not so much with the timing, but because it makes you feel dizzy or disorientated. Rather than you not doing the dance, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So it does change it. You will literally just be going backwards and forwards from side to side in these 2 sections. So should you need to take these turns out, what you can actually do, chassé to the right, the same as everybody else, rock back on the left, recover. Do your vine to the left, side, behind, just step to the side, don't make that quarter turn. Don't do the quarter turn brush, cross the right over the left. So you're effectively doing a vine with a cross. Then when everybody else is chassé into the right, you chassé to the left, rock back and recover. Everybody else will be rocking in the opposite direction, don't worry about it. And then travel back with a vine to the right, side, behind, Put that quarter turn on, so you'll be turning right when everybody else is turning left. Step the left beside the right. So the weight then goes back on the left. You're in the same position as everybody else, ready to start the next section of the dance. So just do that once more for you. Chassé to the right, up on that right. So it's right, chassé, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross. So we're not turning. Chassé to the left, side, close, side, rock back, recover, Vane to the right, side, behind, quarter turn right, close. And put the weight on that left. So then non-turning steps, should you find you need to take that equivalent full turn out of the equation. So to continue the dance, we're going to step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left, cross that right over the left, hold. Then add on a scissor step. So step the left to the side, right beside left, cross the left over. That's your scissor step, then hold. So that's set of steps once more then. Step, pivot, up on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, hold, scissor, step, hold. Slide close, cross on your scissors. So let's add that to the top, turning or non-turning version. Chassé to the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, brush. Right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch. Step, pivot, cross, hold, scissor, step, hold. To finish the dance, we're going into some toe struts. We're travelling to the right. So you're going to step your right toe to the side, lower the heel. Remember with these toe struts, it's a seamless transition between the toe and the heel hitting the floor. The foot and the toe does not come off the floor when the heel goes down. Cross the left over the right, lower the heel on the left. So those are your two toe struts. Then we're going to add on a rocking chair, but we're actually going to put quarter turn to the right on to start with. So turn yourself to the right as you rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. So it is still a rocking chair, you just put that quarter turn right on to start with. Just practice that once more. So you're facing the front, quarter turn right as you rock forward on the right, recover on the left, rock back on the right, recover on the left. So rocking chair. So that last section then. 2 toe struts and the rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, side, strut, cross, strut, rocking chair. And your weight hopefully is back on the left foot, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's put it all together. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, brush. Right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch. Step, pivot, cross, hold, scissor, step, hold, side, strut, cross, strut, rocking chair. So that is your dance. So your only and counts are in those chassés. So your 2 chassés, that's where your and counts are. Otherwise, it is single count timing. But it is a 4-wall dance. So we'll have a go at the other 3 walls. And what I am going to do is speed it up as we go around the walls, because like I said, the music is a bit faster. So here we go then. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, brush. Right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, touch. step, pivot, cross, hold, scissor, step, hold, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn brush, right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn touch, step, pivot, cross, hold, scissor, step, hold, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn brush, right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn touch, step, pivot, cross, scissor, step, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Hopefully you managed to keep up with that. So that is your dance. Now there are two little restarts in this dance. They come in walls 5 and 11 after 8 counts. So you would have done your first section, you would have done your quarter turn, your quarter brush. That's the point that you restart. Which does mean that on these restart walls, if you are a non-turner, bless your Paul, you will have to do the turning option for the first 8 counts. So you will need to do that turn, otherwise you'll be in completely a different wall to everybody else. So that's the only downside for not turning, but don't let that put you off. So walls 5 and 11. So wall 5 is the first time you get to the front wall. Again, you will restart after your 8 counts, you'll be facing the back wall. You then need to go all the way around again, and it's when you get to wall 11, which is your 9 o'clock wall, that's your next restart wall. So let's have a go at wall 5. Take you up to 8 counts, restart the dance. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn brush, restart, right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn brush. Not to get confused with the two sections because they are very similar. So those are your restart points. 12 o'clock, when you get back there, wall 5, we'll restart at 6. We'll go back around all the walls to 9 o'clock, which is your wall 11, restart again. So that's it. I'll shout them out to you when we get to it in the music. So that is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn brush. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn touch. Step to the cross, scissors, step, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn brush. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn touch. Step to the cross, scissors, step, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn brush. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn touch. Step to the cross, scissor step, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn brush. Right chassé, back rock, side behind, turn touch. Step to the cross, scissor step, side strut, cross strut, rocking chair. Chassé, restart wall. Restart, chassé. Chassé. Pivot. Toe struts. Chassé. Chassé. Pivot. Struts. Chassé. Chassé. Figures. Struts. Chassé. Chassé. Figures. Struts. Brush, pivots, keep going. Hope you managed that one.